Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Jenn-Air Dishwasher Folding Tine Row. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Folding Tine Row. The Folding Tine Row holds the dishes in the lower dish rack. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to take out the lower dish rack. We're going to put a towel down on the countertop to protect it. Once you have the towel down, we can open up the dishwasher door and pull the lower rack out. All you have to do is pull it out and set it onto the counter. There's two folding tine rows on the dish rack. They're both changed out the same way. We're going to release the side locking clip, and then there's a clip on the left and the right that hold it on. So we're just going to lift up on that a little bit to release it, and we can pull the folding tine row out. Once you have the left one done, we can do the one on the right. Once you have them both released, we can pull the folding tine row off the dish rack. Here's the old folding tine row next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new folding tine row in, all you have to do is line it up with the locking clips. We can lock the right one in and the left one. Then we can lift it up and lock it into the side locking clip. Once you have it on, we can put the lower dish rack back into the dishwasher. To put the lower dish rack back in, all you have to do is lift it up, set it on the door. Once you have it in place, you can push it in. Once you have it in, you can close the dishwasher door, pull the towel out, plug it back in, and take the first spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.